So at the office here, I've completely made the switch from Chrome to the Edge browser. And it's not just because of all the AI tools that Microsoft is building in across its platforms. The Edge browser has some really cool features in it that just make it easy to use day to day. In just a second, I'm going to show you the screen capture tool that is like, why hasn't it operated this smoothly forever? Stick around. Okay, so capturing what's on your screen has gotten easier over time, and now Microsoft includes the snipping tool that most of us use in along with the bundle that comes with your 365 subscription. But there's actually an even better snipping tool that lives right in the Edge browser. So to see it, all you have to do is go right up here, this little camera icon at the top. You go ahead and clip it. Then we can go ahead and find what we want to capture. And it allows you to draw just like the snipping tool. So I'm going to click that I want to capture an area. And look at this. You know, capture this handsome devil. It was a little 10 pounds heavier at the time, so 10 pounds less sexy, I like to say. But still, you've got a keepsake that anyone would value. I should probably sell this as an NFT, huh? Okay, so moving on, if we want to then take instead a capture of an entire web page, here's how you do it. You use the same tool. Let's go here. You're getting a sneak peek at this really cool new tool we're building. Okay, so you go capture full page, and it's not only going to capture what you see on the screen, but everything below the fold as well, right? And a nice feature here is I go ahead and decide I want to annotate, pick my color, and I can say to the designer, hey, we need to work on this area here for this transition. It needs to look a little cleaner. We need to spell this differently. Whatever it happens to be, then I can go ahead and save, and off we go. So again, here we go. This is the screen capture tool living up here at the top right of Microsoft Edge. Really handy. Another reason to make the switch from Chrome if you're willing to go for it.